What would explosions, the formation of new stars, asteroids crashing into each other, and other planets sound like in space? Would they sound normal, very quiet or loud, or distorted? Well, the truth is that space is completely silent, unless you have the technology to detect sounds outside of the normal range. Normal sound, by nature, requires atoms and molecules to carry it. However, because space is a vacuum, devoid of those atoms and molecules, sound cannot travel. On one hand, there is nothing impeding the movement of sound, but there is also nothing to carry it. That is where the famous quote from the 1979 movie Alien comes from. In space, no one can hear you scream. However, there technically is some sound that exists in space, a whopping 57 octaves below middle C, far too low for humans to hear. Some areas in space have particles and are kept hot by star radiation. These particles are in a gaseous state called plasma, and in 2022, NASA was able to detect the sound of a black hole interacting with the plasma. It was then amplified quadrillions of times. 1 quadrillion is a million billion, to be audible by humans. Here is what it sounded like. The sound is chilling, and it makes you wonder, what other noises are being produced in deep space, and how can we find them?